Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to be learning about the 5 things that stores do not want you to know about couponing. That's right, I'm giving you my 5 secrets. So in this video, if you love to save money, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you are a person who's on the journey to save money for you and your family. Tell you a little bit about myself. I started couponing back in 2009 when I needed diapers for my oldest daughter and I didn't have money to buy them. I went into a CVS and got an entire box, not a bag, but a box of diapers, totally free, and I have been couponing since 2009. So these are my top 5 secrets that stores don't want you to know. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm enjoying my beautiful dreary day here in South Carolina, if you can see behind me on my porch. And I want to share with you my very favorite thing that stores do not want you to know. Number 1, this is my favorite thing ever. When I tell people this, they can't believe it. The favorite thing is that you can use a coupon on a buy one item and a get free item. That's right. So let's say you go into Publix, which is my favorite store to shop because they have all the BOGOs, the buy one, get one frees. And you shop and you get, let's say, 2 bags of chips, okay? 2 bags of chips, and 1 chip is buy one, and 1 chip is to get free. So you're getting 2 items, buy one, get one free. There was some balloons just there. And you get those chips, and you have 2 coupons. You can use a coupon on the buy one item, and you can use a coupon on the get free item. You can use a coupon on that freebie and bring your costs down even more. And a lot of times, that's how I get things for free in the stores, because I am using those coupons to get things for free. I remember a couple years ago that I got like 50 bags of dog food, and the store owed me $3 per bag. And I don't even have a dog. I don't even own a dog. But I was able to take those bags of dog food and donate them, because you can use a coupon on the buy one and use a coupon on the get free. That is my all-time favorite couponing hack in any stores that do BOGO. My next favorite tip, my number 2 favorite tip, is that you can stack store coupons with manufacturer coupons. So for instance, let's say I go to Food Line, and at Food Line, I go on the Food Line app and I look through the Food Line app and I see that there is a coupon for Eggland's Best eggs. Those are my favorite eggs. And I go on the app, I see there's a manufacturer coupon, a coupon that is from the manufacturer, from Eggland's Best themselves. Or you might find one in the newspaper. However you get your coupons. I use digital coupons. I get all my coupons just using my app on my phones. So let's say I have a $1 off coupon at Eggland's Best to buy those eggs. But then when I was walking into the store, sometimes there's a kiosk or some kind of thing when you walk in that may have some kind of extra coupons or sales, or maybe when you check out the register, you get a print off. You know, those print offs you get sometimes at the register, and that's a store coupon. That coupon is specified just for that store. If it says store coupon on it, then you can use it with your manufacturer coupon. That's right, you can use both. Now, can you use 2 manufacturer coupons on one item? No, you cannot. So you cannot buy 1 carton of Eggland's Best and then use 5 manufacturer coupons. That's not how it works. It's 1 coupon per item. But if there's a store coupon, a store for Food Line, a coupon for Food Line, a coupon for Publix, wherever you shop, if that is a store coupon, you can use that as well as the manufacturer coupon. All right, number 3, it's going to be a little bit hard for my introverted people, but number 3 is don't take no for an answer. So just an example, I was in Publix yesterday, and a $5 coupon, and I literally have the receipt right here, a $5 coupon did not come off. And this $5 coupon was one of those coupons where if you spend $25, you get $5 off. Well, that coupon did not come off at the register. It was supposed to. I had all the products. I had $25. I actually had $27 worth of stuff. I had everything, but it didn't come off. And that happens sometimes. But that's $5 that did not come off. So I spoke to the person at the register. She said she couldn't do anything about it. I went over to customer service and I told customer service what happened, and they honored the $5 coupon. So I didn't take no for an answer. So what they ended up doing was they gave me a gift card, a $5 Publix gift card to use on my next trip, which is fine. I'll use that on whatever. But $5 is $5. And I think a lot of times with us couponers, we'll be like, oh, it's just $1. It's just $5. You know, but those things add up. And so when I say don't take no for an answer, I wanted to share with you that I had $22 in vendor coupons at my shop yesterday at Publix. Well, if I would have had that $5 come off, that would have been $27 in coupons. $27 in savings, that's going to be, you know, a pretty big deal for a lot of people. $27 can do a lot. You know, that could buy you and probably one of the person, maybe two, maybe three people total in your family, a meal at Chick-fil-A or something. So don't take no for an answer. Get your money. I don't care if it's 50 cents or $1 or $5 or 10. Don't take no for an answer. Stack up those savings and make sure you go to customer service if something doesn't come off right, because that happens all the time. I need you guys to keep watching. We're almost at number 5, and number 5 is the biggie. Now, for now, if you have loved any of these tips, please let me know in the comments your favorite tip so far. It helps me, guys, when you guys engage, when you like the videos, when you share, and when you also comment below. So tip number 4. Tip number 4. This is how I'm able to get my out-of-pocket so low, how I'm able to have money makers. Tip number 4 is that you are able to combine rebate apps with coupons. That's right. You can do multiple. For instance, today I went to Walmart. I got cat food. I was able to combine Swagbucks, coupons, and IBOTTA. And I got $21 worth of cat food for like $6. You're able to do that. So when I say rebate apps, if you don't know what I mean, rebate apps are going to be where you buy an item. You buy an item and then you take your receipt, use your phone, you download the apps, you submit your receipt, and they give you the money back. A lot of times the rebate apps will give it back to you in your PayPal. They can give it back to you in your checking account. Some of them give it back to you in a form of a gift card. Like right now, I have like almost $200 in gift cards just from Fetch that I need to cash out. I need to get on that. And so if you don't have rebate apps, look in the description box for my list of all my rebate apps I use. I use IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Fetch, all those apps. Look in my description box. You get a kickback when you download, use my referral code, and I get a kickback as well. So I think with IBOTTA, you get like $10. That's awesome. I think with Rakuten, you get $40 for signing up and making a purchase. So go ahead and download those apps. Now, going back, you can definitely use coupons with those rebate apps. So I was able to go to Publix yesterday. I used store coupons. I used digital coupons from the app. And then when I got home, I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA and Fetch, and I got back money as well. So you can use them in conjunction with each other. You can use multiple different streams to be able to get money back and to maximize your savings and get that low out of pocket and get those money makers we're always wanting. Number 5, what stores do not want you to know about couponing? This is a big one, and when I tell people this, they cannot believe it. You are able at most grocery stores to use competitor coupons. When I mean competitor coupons, I mean the store down the street. My favorite one is the Dollar General one. Do you know, if you are a Southern person, there's a Dollar General on every corner. And at the end of your Dollar General receipt, there will be a coupon for $5 off 25, right? And it says you can use this coupon on Saturday. $5 off $25, you can use it on a Saturday. Well, most stores like Publix and Food Line will let you also bring that coupon off the bottom of your Dollar General receipt to Publix and also use $5 off 25. That's right. So I'm taking a Dollar General coupon to Publix, to Food Line, to whichever store you usually use. Just check the policies, and you're able to use that $5 off 25 at their store. I know, it's insane. People do not know that. The only thing that I've ever come into with that is because that Dollar General coupon for 5 off 25 is on Saturday, usually the stores like Publix and Food Line only honor it on Saturday. But if I had a Publix little coupon that I got in the Publix flyer and I took it to Food Line, they would honor it. You might have to go to customer service, but they'll honor it. If I had one of the Food Line little print-off coupons that you get when you're checking out at Food Line, or Winn-Dixie, or wherever you shop, those little print-offs you can take to a different store and use them at a different store. I know, it is crazy. And I'm always like, oh, what coupons can I get at this store? And what's on sale at that store so I can use these coupons at this store to maximize my savings. So my favorite, like I said, is the 5 off 25. Now, what I will tell you is that they're not going to honor it if it's on your phone. If it's a digital coupon, like the 5 off 25 on the Dollar General app, Publix is not going to honor that. If you have a Target digital coupon and take it over here to Publix, they're not going to honor that. It has to be the paper ones. It has to be the paper ones for them to honor. And a lot of times there are paper coupons floating out there. Like when you walk into Publix, there's a green flyer when you walk in. You can take those and use them at different stores. So that's a huge thing that stores do not want you to know, that you can use competitor coupons at their store. All right, praisers and savers, that was my 5 tips that stores do not want you to know about couponing. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Head on over to Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok and join me there as well. I appreciate it tons, and it also helps me to keep bringing these videos to you every single week when you guys engage. Also, please like and also comment below your favorite tip of the day. I think my favorite tip is going to be, of course, the BOGO #1.